Hey guys, we're doing the 5 bucks mid to break part 2 tonight, 7:55, 43 PM Melbourne time. Team draw is live. Participants drawn 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Teams now. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Team draw is complete. Glenbow with Rockets, John Deegan with Wolves, Sean Thon with Nets, John Spence with Bulls, Hurley with the Nuggets, Michael Langdon with Pacers, Glenn McCubbin with Heat, Nathaniel with the Knicks, Blake Riley with the Hawks, Riley McCubbin with the Suns, Tahi Johnson with Pelicans, Andrew Hurley Magic, Tahi Johnson Hornets, Charles Chaz Weech with the Kings, Andrew Hurley with the Sixers, Steve Harrison with the Wizards, Mick Wayne with the Raptors, Anthony Fasoles with the Cavs, Stephen G with the Pistons, Adrian Javasi with the Grizz, Steve Harrison with the Thunder, Lanham with the Clippers and Blazers, Glenn McCubbin with the Warriors, Ryan O'Gorman with the Mavericks, Michael Jovanovic with the Lakers, Daly with the Spurs, Hurley with the Bucks, Tahi Johnson with the Celtics, and Mason O'Gorman with the Jazz. And that's that.